If you woke up Christmas morning and a watch wasn't under the tree or in your stocking, that means you are on the naughty list. Not to worry, though. I know a place where you can buy a watch and post it to Facebook as if Santa or your family really likes you. Just a heads up, when you call over to Palmer's Jewelers, ask them about the pre-owned watches. They carry Rolex, and we know how much you love Rolex. Palmer's has a number of brands most people know, like GShock and Tissot. They also have Luminox, and trust me, you'll want to call them about Luminox. Let's just say, the prices are just right. Also, Indiana microbrands such as Visitor, Fledderman, and KWCC.co are available. And don't forget to stop by their Seiko mod display. It's the best in the state.